Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show how to generate a random number with decimal places, ran between and then within the decimal places. So if you do just random number like this, it will be generate the number decimal number between 0 and 1. Now what if we want to generate between 0 and 100? So how to doing that? You just times this random number by 100, but now you have a random number between 0 until 800, but the problem is the decimal place is long, it's really long, because this is really a random number. Now what if I want to make it only two decimal number? So how to doing that? You just put round on the beginning, and then following the function, and then put the decimal places is 2. So hit the enter. Now I have this random number between 0 and 100 within control decimal places. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.